Good morning. Now today this is the activities I am showing now. Now look here, this bottle all capital letters A B C D and the cap is all small letter. Now look here, this is A capital. Now here we have to find A small. This is A small. I put here on the cap, on the bottle. Next B capital. Then I have to find here where is B small. This is B small and I put on the cap. And next C capital, C small. D capital, D small. E capital, E small. F capital, F small. G capital, G small. H capital, H small. I capital, I small. J capital, J small. K capital, K small. L capital, L small. M capital, M small. N capital and N small. O capital, O small. P capital, P small. And Q capital, Q small. R capital, R small. S capital, S small. T capital, T small. U capital, U small. V capital, V small. W capital, W small. X capital, X small. Y capital, Y small. And the last letter is Z capital and Z small. Now look here, these are the alphabetic letters. You have to do like this activity at home. Okay.